Hey everyone, it's Len down here at 1A Auto. Today I'm going to be showing you something very basic. We're going to be replacing a wiper blade with one of our quality parts down at 1A Auto, Trico. This is a quality part. It's going to be a very easy install. So first what we're going to do, we're going to put our wiper blade out of the way. We'll come over, we'll take off our old one. We want to be very careful that we don't ever let this slam down into your windshield. Glass is fragile. Different blades come off different ways. This one's going to be hopefully pretty easy. Take that off, holding onto the wiper arm so it can't come slamming down. I'm going to see if I can pull this down. There we are. Give it a little more. Okay, we'll see there's a little hook. All right, so now we're going to grab our quality 1A Auto part, the Trico blade. Hold the arm. Just going to slide it in. You can feel it lock in. Feels nice and sturdy. And that completes our wiper blade replacement.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.